Today, All India National Textile Coordination Committee of NTC, we came together and we have started our agitation from Coimbatore. Coimbatore used to be the Manchester of India of textile, but unfortunately with the central government policy, they are trying to privatize this mill, they are trying to close by the mean of COVID. Let me tell you one thing, the mill is not closed due to any losses. Mill is not closed because we are raising any unreasonable demand. From 2 years, they are paying only 50% basic wages salary, not starting the mill. Today we have come here all over India, we are demanding only one thing, start our mill. Why we are suffering? The central policy is to privatize this mill, to sell this land and earn crores of rupees and put in the pockets of their respective leaders. So that's why we have come together to urge, with this agitation, we are going to agitate all over India, and if our demands have not been fulfilled, our large agitation will be in Gujarat, where we will urge the Prime Minister that he should intervene and stop the way of the functioning which is the Textile Ministry is doing it by closing this all NTC mill. Around about 25 to 30,000 workers are going to be affected all over India into this. 23 unions have come together for their cause. And not only that, people and their families are coming into lakhs, and people who are depending upon this industries are also like small vendors, small yarn people and all everything. So it's going to create a very unemployment factor in the overall state of on each where their NTCs are working. We are surprised. The Honorable Prime Minister one side saying that we are giving employment, and whatever employment is they are having in their hand, they are trying to close this employment. Where are these workers going to go? Whom they are going to talk to them? What are their sources of income which they are going to come? What are they expecting? What they will do after their jobs are not going to be in the place? And at this age, when they are trained for this textile industry, they will not be going to get any work. So there are no proposal which has been given. That's why we have urged. And we had also gone to Delhi to meet the textile minister, Mr. Piyush Goyal, with all member of parliament, with all trade unions coming together also. He had made it clear that we are not interested to run the mills. So now, with this agitation, we are trying to urge the Prime Minister that he should intervene and resolve this issue.
Sir, while speaking, you told that you will be making a sit-in dharna in the PM's residence.
What I said is that today we have come here. We want the Honorable Prime Minister to listen to us. After this, we are going to go to Cochin. After this, we are going to go to Madhya Pradesh. We are already agitating in Maharashtra. And the last, if our voices are not being heard, there is one mill which is going to get closed in Ahmedabad also. And then we are going to go to the Honorable PM's house and sit there and ask to meet us and to resolve this issue.
Sir, what do you think is the intention?
January 26th, black.
Yeah, that. No, the intention is that they don't want to start. From 2 years, COVID, when the COVID happened, they have closed down the mill by the reason of COVID. The local NTC has given a proposal to revive. Their textile ministry is not ready. They are saying this is not our thing. We should not run the mill. They are not come up officially anything. There is no official notice, nothing. So it's like one way, it's like, are we staying in Hindustan or are we staying in Taliban? There is no law. People are there is no notice given to any union, not any workers. Due to the COVID reason, they have closed down. And again, when this COVID is gone, to restart the mill, they are not restarting the mill. So are we staying in Hindustan or Taliban? What is happening? So we are here come to agitate and come together to raise our voice. And if these our voices are not been raised, we will go to the PM and we'll sit there and we'll do dharna there also.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.